Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, today I want to talk about quotient rule. In my last video, I was able to explain the product rule, the chain rule and the differentiation table. So if you've not seen that, quickly check out the playlist calculus for all those videos. Alright, so we want to talk about quotient rule today. So the quotient rule is always in the form u over v, and the formula is v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. And you can also say it like this: bottom the top minus top the bottom over bottom squared. Do you get that? Bottom the top minus top the bottom over bottom squared. So if you get that, you can comment the same thing at the comment section. There will be something very good for you. So the first two people to do that will be getting something great this weekend. All right, so let's quickly check through this example using the shortcut, this formula. All right, so the first example, we have y equals to sine 3x over x plus 1. So my dy dx is, look at the formula, v, so v x plus 1. Du dx, differentiate your du dx using the chain rule. If you differentiate this, you have what? 3 cos x, and 3 cos 3x minus this minus u. What's your u? Sine 3x. Your dv dx, differentiate this one, what will you get? 1 all over this one all square, x plus 1 all square. Do we get that now? So that will now be what? This multiply with this will give you what? 3x cos 3x plus this times this will give you what? 3 cos 3x minus what? Sine 3x, because this times this will give you what? Sine 3x all over what? X plus 1 all square. Do you get that now? So this will be your answer. Do you understand? So, but you can go ahead and what is coming between this and this. If you go ahead and check for what's coming between this and this, which is still this, it will still give you back this one. All right, so let's try the second example using the same shortcut. So our dy dx, we have our y here to be what? Sorry, here we have our y to be sine 2x over cos 9x. So your dy dx will be what? V cos 9x du dx, which will give what? 2 cos 2x minus u sine 2x dv dx. If you differentiate this, it will give what? 9 cos 9x. Minus 9 sine. This is cos, so minus 9 sine 9x all over cos 9x all square. Have you guys what I'm doing now? All right, so let's finish that up. So cos 9x times this will multiply, these two will come to this side, so this is 2. Cos times cos will give what? Cos square. 9 times 2 will give what? 18x square. Did you get that? So minus times minus plus, sine times sine. So this one too will become what? 9 at the back, right? Then sine times sine will give what? Sine square. This times this will give what? 18 what? X square all over what? Cos square 9x. So do you get that? So this is what you are going to have here. So we can see there is nothing common between these two. There is nothing so common because 2 can go, 2 can go here, but 2 can't go here. So we can as well leave our answer in this form. Do we get that now? All right, so let's check through the last example. So the last example for today. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't forget the formula: v du dx minus u dv dx over v square. That is bottom the top minus top the bottom over bottom square. All right, so the last example is y equals to x squared plus 3x over 2x squared. So our dy dx will be equals to v 2x squared du dx. Differentiate this, it will give you what? 2x plus 3 minus u x squared plus what? 3x. Then du dv dx, if you differentiate this, you will get what? 4x. All right, all over v squared. So that's 2x squared all squared. So this will now give you, this time this will give what? 4x cubed. 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times x is x cubed. 2 times 3 is what? 6. Then x cubed. Minus times x squared give us minus times 4. So that's minus 4x cubed. Minus times this minus 3 times 4, 12x squared. All over 2 square is what? 4. X square will give us what? X raised power what? 4. If you apply your indices power law. All right, so after that you can see that some things can cancel out here. So 4x cube can cancel 4x cube. 6x square plus 12x square will give us what? And 6x square minus this will give us minus, it will give us minus 6x square over what? 4x raised power 4. So this can cancel this and remain 2, and that will be minus 6x over what? 4x square. And okay, this has cancelled out, no x here again, so this is only remaining x square. So this 2 can go here 3, 2 can go here 2, and that's what? Minus 3 over 2x, sorry, over 2x squared. So this is the shortcut to doing the quotient rule. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video. Thank you.